again so you can see the nice. There you go. So that makes... Welcome to Feature Friday for another week. We've started a series of Feature Friday videos highlighting some of the functionality of our Modify Roof capabilities. Modify Roof. There's a whole bunch of tools under there, whether you select them from the icon menu or whether you select them from the pull down menu. You will notice, those who are very observant, you will notice that the pull down menu has a whole bunch of extra functions that we will talk about in coming weeks. But today I want to deal with the functionality that results in this rather simple roof. So if I delete the roof, and I'll show you how I got there real quick. So you start off with your outline, construct roof, recover outline, and OK, let's make this a 612 roof, and we hit OK and continue, and it builds the roof. Oh, hang on, that doesn't look anything like what we wanted. So modify roof, and we're going to do hip to gable, change that into a hip end into a gable end. Bingo, easy. This hip end into a gable end. Oh, but what about this part? Well, we'll make that hip into a gable as well. That's cool. And trouble is, now if we look at that in ISO view, we don't have any tuck under there to account for the eave overhang on that bit of gable. So we have a function for that too. Extend barge, select the barge line. It wants to know how far we want to go in, so we might go in there 18 inches, and we hit OK, and it rebuilds the roof with the correct geometry. And we go back to our top view. So from the plan or top view, we can also explore another cool function, which is hiding away under the Modify Roof Layback Gable. This came up in a question from one of our customers just early this week. Layback Gable, and I'll do it for you, then you'll see what I'm talking about. So if we'll do that there, the distance back, we might make that say 6 feet. And the slope of the new one will be, say, 12, and we hit OK, and it builds the roof. Let's undo that and just do that again in slow time. Modify roof, layback, select the ridge line, and we'll make that much wider so you can see it. We'll make that 12 feet wide with a new slope. That's the slope of this end here, 12. We hit OK, and it builds it. So we look at that in isometric and spin our job around, you'll see what it's created. That's a very popular feature in a lot of barn-style roofs across North America and in Europe. So it's not something that's necessarily unusual, it's just a bit different. So we'll make that 10 feet and do that again so you can see it in isometric. There you go. So that makes creating that fella very, very simple, and just a couple of clicks. Do the same on the other end just because we can, and we might make that 8 feet, and same 12 and 12, hit OK, spin that around from the other way and have a look. Beautiful. So modify roof functions, there's a lot there. You can't really break it. If you break it, you just hit undo and it'll allow you to do it again. So if you're not sure, just try it and see. Righto, that's about it for Feature Friday for this week, and I hope that helps, and we look forward to chatting to you again real soon. Have a great weekend.